everyone, my name is Roma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm doing a very sweet video for Sweet Vanilla Goa. The owner, Miss Shubhalakshmi Shinkre, has sent me her amazing sweet delights that she makes, which are brownies and cupcakes, and also she has sent me a very cute note which says, "Hey Roma, I've sent a few cupcakes and brownies made with a lot of love and sugar, of course. Hope you like these sweet treats from us. Sweet Vanilla, love, Shubhalakshmi." So they look quite tempting, and here is the list of the names of the brownies and the cupcakes. So I am going to start with the brownies because I love brownies and they look very tempting. So I'm going to start with the Snickers one because I can see the peanuts, and it also has come with a cute spoon. Let's start with the Snickers one. Also, she had asked me to warm this up in the microwave for 30 seconds. So that's what I did. Let's taste the Snickers one. You do get the Snickers taste inside. Inside it's warm and fudgy, crispy layer on top with some chocolate sauce drizzled on top. Okay, very nice. I've never had a Snickers brownie before. So thumbs up for this. Next we'll try the double chocolate Oreo. Now I'm a fan of Oreo cookie. So let's try this out. The top part is crispy like how a brownie should be. Let's try it out. I like how these brownies are soft in the middle and nice and crispy on the top. So guys, the remaining two brownies I'm going to be eating with my hand because as you guys know, I don't like using spoons and while enjoying such tasty stuff. Next up, I'm going to try the dark chocolate one. I think this is the one because the fourth one is the walnut and I can see walnuts on top. So let's try it out. This one is amazing. Too good. Okay, this one is a must try, you guys. Delicious. So guys, till now it's a big thumbs up for the last three brownies. So let's try this one, the walnut brownie. They just slightly melted in the oven and that's how it should be. Oh my god, this one just melts in your mouth. Super soft, super fudgy. The layer on top is super good. Crispy and soft at the bottom. I don't know if you can see, but the layer on top is crispy and down it's soft and smooth and creamy. And walnuts. Yummy. Okay, so it would be tough to choose a favorite out of these, but I would say the dark chocolate one, my favorite. Yes. So let's move on to the cupcakes now. So guys, Sweet Vanilla Goa is based in Ponda. That's where she bakes her cakes from, and you guys can order it from her. And yeah, I will put a link in the description below from where you guys can order. So let's move on to the cupcakes which she has sent me in this very cute box. Let's open it. And there are very interesting flavors of cupcakes which I've never tried before. Also her brownies are available in Nutella and chocolate chip flavor. So which one do I try first? I think I'm going to go for the Oreo one, since it's one of my most favorite cookie. Very cute cupcake with nice frosting and a cookie on top. First I'm going to taste the frosting. It's like cookies and cream ice cream. Yummy. So let's dive in the cake now. It's super good. I really like this cake. I mean, on its own also, it's very soft, chocolatey, and good. It's really good. I mean, guys, you should definitely try this Oreo cupcake. Okay, now I'm gonna save this for the others and move on to the next, berry vanilla. So I'm guessing this one is the berry vanilla because I can see berries and the vanilla cream on top. Sorry. Okay. By looking at this, I can tell you that I'm going to love this cake because the cakes which look like this taste awesome. Let's taste the cream first. Wow, it's something unique and something different. So guys, the cake is very moist, very soft. It has got a rich flavor of vanilla to it. And just see the way you can, just pull it off. So guys, this cake is super soft, moist, very rich flavor of vanilla. The cream is super delicious. It has got berries mixed in the vanilla buttercream. And yeah, you can enjoy this for a nice, afternoon snack. And you can also keep this for some tea party or something. It's like a very fancy cake with a frosting on top. So yeah, it's very nice. Next up, let's try the coffee Nutella one. It's been, I don't know how long since I've had Nutella. So yeah. Okay, let's try the frosting. It has got coffee and Nutella infused in it, if I can say that. And it has got this small, I don't know what you call these, cracker type of thing on the top. And let's eat the cake. So one thing about our cakes is that they are very soft and moist, and it's just baked and freshly baked. You get that vibe from this cupcake. The cream is amazing. It's fantastic. Okay. But I enjoyed this cupcake. The last one is a super simple vanilla buttercream cupcake, and this one is a vanilla cake with buttercream on top. Let's taste the buttercream. It's a simple yet classic buttercream, and the super soft and moist vanilla cupcake. So guys, this was the products that she had sent me. Overall, I would like to say that her the cupcakes are super soft, like very moist and soft, and very, I don't know how to explain it. It's a feeling which I cannot explain. The cream on top, each cupcake has got its own unique cream on top. The coffee Nutella one was like really good. The berry vanilla was my favorite. I mean, it was very nice. The super soft, delicious vanilla cake, and on top of that the vanilla buttercream with berries, too good. And the brownies, the dark chocolate brownie, the walnut brownie, the double chocolate Oreo and Snickers. I love brownies, so I loved all 4 brownies, but my favorite was the dark chocolate. I would recommend you guys to try the dark chocolate and the walnut one also. The rates are also very super reasonable. The dark chocolate and walnut brownie is ₹60 per piece, and the double chocolate Oreo and Snickers are ₹65 per piece. So I think it's totally worth it. In the cupcakes, she hasn't mentioned the price, but I will, if I find out the price, I will mention them here. So guys, this video was really fun to make. A really very sweet, small and simple video. I really love this. I'm going to save it. I'm going to keep it. And yeah, I think I'm going to end my video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this super sweet review. And yes, I will see you guys soon with some more exciting, fun reviews also, and videos also, and vlogs also. And yes, please do subscribe to my channel if you liked this video. And yeah, bye.